Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'll show you how to create a beautiful banner in PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and start with a blank slide. Now, go to the Design tab at the top, find the slide size option, and click on it. From there, choose Custom Slide Size. Here's where we'll set up the banner dimensions. Enter 16 inches for the width and 5 inches for the height. Once that's done, click OK. You'll see a pop-up asking you to choose between two options. Just click Maximize, and your banner layout is ready. Next, it's time to add some style to your background. Right-click anywhere on the slide and select Format Background. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, or even add a picture or texture. Pick whatever fits your vision best and watch your banner start to come to life. Now, let's add some design elements. Go to the Insert tab and bring in an image from your device. Once that's done, switch over to the Home tab and select a shape to draw on your slide. Place it wherever you like and use the Rotate option to flip it vertically. Once the shape is in place, click Shape Fill and choose white as the color. For some extra flair, duplicate the shape, rotate it slightly, and fill it with a nice pink color. Want to add more variety? Insert a triangle shape, adjust its size and position, and give it a bold color. To add depth, adjust the transparency by right-clicking and selecting Format Background again. Then, arrange your shapes by sending some to the back, creating a layered effect. Duplicate and rotate more shapes to complete the look. Click Shape Fill and choose white as the color. Now for the text. Select Text Box, click and drag to create a text area, and start typing. Once you've added your text, customize it in the Home tab by changing the font, size, color, and alignment. To make your text stand out even more, duplicate it, change the color, and layer it for a cool shadow effect. You can also add icons or additional images from the Insert tab to give your banner that extra polish. Finally, when you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Go to File, select Save As, and choose a format like JPEG or PNG. Give your file a name, pick a location, and click Save. And that's it. You've just created a stunning banner in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks here on Slide Egg. See you next time.